Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting review, and this is a brand new formula from MAC Cosmetics. So if you've seen my channel before, you know I love MAC. I always love testing their new stuff, especially their new formulas. And this is another new lip product from them. This launched just last Friday, so not even a week ago today, and I'm so excited to be sharing this review with you guys. We're gonna be talking about the Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Lipstick. So if you're interested in finding out more about this baby right here and seeing it applied with also a wear test, then keep on watching. So as I said, the Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Lipstick. So this is a new Powder Kiss formula. This is different from their original Powder Kiss lipstick. They have a Powder Kiss lipstick already existing. They also have a Powder Kiss liquid lipstick, but this is their new Velvet Blur Slim Stick. So this is supposed to be a moisture infused lipstick that provides 12 hours of on-trend mega bold color and ultra weightless wear in a single velvet soft swipe. So it has 12 hours of wear, 12 hours of moisture, and 12 on-trend shades. It's going to actually care for your lips, have those ingredients that are going to be good for your lips, moisturize. It's not going to dry out. It's supposed to blur and smooth the lips and immediately reduce the look of lines in the lips, give you softer, smoother, suppler lips, and again, in that mega bold color, weightless, all of the things that you want to see. This is the packaging, and let me tell you, this is so stunning. Like, look at the packaging. Is that not just absolutely stunning? Why is my camera not focusing lately? There we go. I really like this packaging actually better than the regular bullet. I just think it looks a little bit more modern and sleek. I like the matte black, the gold. It's just a really flattering, appealing packaging. This is how the actual product looks. I got the shade Over the Taupe. I will make one comment though. Comment down below if you agree with me, especially MAC, but just in general, are all brands coming out with like mainly red lipsticks or like red-ish, like that kind of coral, or like, I feel like there's not very many nudes anymore, and it's like disappointing. So this was one of the nudes. This is the mid-tone dirty nude. I was also looking at the shade Mullet Over, which is a dirty peach, and then I was also interested in the shade Brick Through, which is a warm dusty rose. Even the shade Sweet Cinnamon, it's described as a mid-tone warm peachy nude, and to me it just looks like it has a lot of red undertones. The majority of them are that red or coral color scheme, so I would like to see MAC have a more inclusive color range. It's my one complaint, but it's not even just MAC, it's just in general. There's a lot of red for lips lately, and I just feel like it's not everyday usable, like at least for me personally. I am not going to wear a red lipstick all the time, so I look for more of those nudes. That's just a personal preference, but comment down below if you agree that you're noticing like all the lipsticks that are launching these days are red or like red-ish. Anyways, this one looks really pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it on my dry hands. Just ignore that. Ooh, that does have a nice velvety finish. I like the color. It's a little darker than it looked online, but that's okay. I actually really like that color. I would say it's not super cool toned, but it's neutral, I would say. I really like the shade though, personally. It's very pretty. So let's go ahead and apply. I'm applying straight to the lips with no lip liner just to see how it performs, and I'm curious to see if you kind of need a lip liner to get precise application. So yeah, let's go ahead. And I have very dry lips, so this I'm a very good candidate. I really should have prepped them, but I like to see how products look on bare lips. I'm gonna flip it around to the back and use that edge. Okay, so I really like the way that it looks. It's very pigmented, definitely. It is blurring to the lips, I would say. It does kind of give it that overall like velvety, almost like silky finish. It smooths out the lips, and yeah, I mean, I really have no complaints so far. I think that it looks really beautiful on the lips. It applied really well. I would say if you want super precise edges, use a lip liner. It's a little bit more difficult to get those precise edges. You know, you can flip it around and use this right here, but it's not quite as perfect as a lip liner. So if you like very defined and precise edges and lips, then I recommend a lip liner. But overall, it was quite easy to apply, and it feels extremely comfortable. Like, it feels super lightweight, but not creamy, and like, it's not like it has that glossy slip to it, but it has that kind of silky slip, like that velvety, you know, those lipsticks that have that velvety blurring finish. It feels like that, kind of similar to their liquid lipstick, their Powder Kiss liquid lipstick, that kind of velvety finish. So I really like the way it feels, looks, and applied so far. I like the color. I actually really like the color. I'm happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this baby wears. I will let you know. It says 12 hours. It is already 3 o'clock. So obviously we're not gonna be doing 12 hours. For me, I doubt it's gonna last that long anyways. So if you're interested in finding out how this product wears, then keep on watching. But overall, so far, first impression, I am very happy with it. Very happy. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's the end of the day, and I am back to talk about the MAC Velvet Blur Slim Stick. So as you can see, it is completely worn off. There's maybe a little bit of residue around the edges. It is almost 10 o'clock, so it has been almost 7 hours. So I would say that it wore perfectly for the first 4 to 5 hours, and then I ate dinner, and that's when I noticed it pretty much came off. So it's not transfer proof. I would say once you eat, you're probably gonna have to touch up afterwards. So I ate, actually we had a little barbecue with some family, and we had sausages. So, you know, that's a messy thing to eat. So it did rub off after I ate, but before I ate, it was still looking quite even. It hadn't really faded a whole ton, maybe just a little in the center after for about 5 hours. So I would say it has really good wear. I would say the claims are a little bit, that they're not completely true, at least from what I noticed. Now, if you were to like not eat for 12 hours, or if you were to eat things that, like, you know, you use a fork for and you're not wiping your lips and it's not oily, then it might hold up for longer. Considering it held up pretty perfectly for 5 whole hours and it's just a lipstick, I am very impressed, because typically when it's just lipstick and it's not a liquid, it usually only lasts a couple hours. So I am impressed with the wear, but it's not quite as incredible as it claims to be. Aside from that though, I am absolutely obsessed with the finish, with the color, with the way that it applied and the way that it felt on the lips. Lightweight. I would not go out of my way to say it's extremely moisturizing. I didn't feel like my lips felt extra hydrated, but it didn't also dry them out. So I do think that those moisturizing ingredients are working to keep the product from drying out your lips, but it's not excessively hydrating either. So overall, I'm quite impressed with the product. I do recommend it. I love the way that it looks and feels, and it wears pretty good as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.